Okay, welcome to a Shadow Hunter tutorial. We will be configuring Cal's NgcCore. So what you're going to do is you're first going to start by going to your products list. Alright, so you're going to log in. You're then going to look for the Core ASA or ASE. You are going to subscribe. Once you've subscribed, you can go to download. Once you have completed the download, you can just then go into the config. Let's hold for it to download. So what I do is I generally first copy it to a general folder and I do my configs from there. Okay, so that's where I've pasted my configs. I'm going to open those configs. Your first option is going to be putting in your account. So your account will be linked to your email address. If your email address is blank, edit the email and put your email in there. From there, database details. Now I've already configured permissions, so I'm just going to go back and pull the permissions database access details. Okay. On your cluster machines, you're going to give your cluster a name. Your extra added plugins are going to use that cluster name, especially for Discord. This file will be used across all of your plugins, so it needs to match all the core plugins as well as Discord. On the server key, I've decided to use it set server key. You can use the map save, so in this case it would have been the island_WP. However, I prefer using server keys on my servers. There you can just use your map label. This is what's going to show as the map name when we do configure comms, or when we configure, or it'll show like it in Discord when we configure the Discord chats. It'll basically be your label for all your, or for that specific map. On the next config, you're going to see I'm removing the Discord bot. This will be addressed in a second tutorial where I do a config on the base Discord bot functionality. So for now, we are not going to use any custom servers. Ensure if you want the ports to be accessible from other servers outside. So like I've got multiple servers that are linked together between multiple machines. I've had to forward those ports and open the ports to allow all those servers to link together. That's just my notes. Keep in mind, the core will load past the errors in the config. Comments like this are allowed. It's reading comment to JSON. Okay, so now add it into your plugins folder on the servers you want to use it on. Now the initial start, sorry, I see my taskbar's in the way over there. I'm going to set that to auto hide. Okay, on the initial start, you'll see that it's going to error out with your HWID and IP. You are then going to go back to the website. So copy that HWID, go back to the website. Click account. You'll see you don't have any servers registered. Go to your resources. Look for the resource you're busy with. So for me, it was now I'm busy with the Core Plugin ASA. You're going to click on the little spanner. Name the server something that's going to be easy for you to identify later. HWID and IP. And then you hit save. So now when I restart the servers, it'll auth and you'll start seeing the servers are going to connect to each other. And yeah, you will see in the log that it has started to detect both servers that are basically seeing each other through the WebSocket and will now be able to communicate with each other, as well as when the Discord bot comes in, you'll see another line in there that'll show the Discord bot. This will allow the cross communication between the servers as well as the Discord bot for all cluster plugins, as well as Discord bot add-ons. Thank you. Hope this was helpful.